over the shoulder. Then you lift your legs. Next to the other side. Turn and twist. On the inhale, you lift. On the exhale, you turn. Like that. Make sure your spine is straight. Exhale, release. Back to a 1990 pose. We will rotate our spine now. Let's start the timer. Grab with the right hand your left wrist, leaning over to the right side, and then start for some circles with your upper body and with your hips. Biggest movement possible for you today. Now change directions.